Yes, brother. Yes. Huh? आज फर्किहाल्छु कुन चाहिँ ए रेकर्डिङ हुँदैछ त आउँछ नि all the best journey. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm traveling to Nepal. I'm going traveling to Nepal border. So let's catch up from the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of my age, namaskar दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? Today I'm traveling to Nepal. I mean, not exactly Nepal, but it's on the border of Nepal. I got some work out there. Actually, last time my mom, she ordered a gold ring. I'm just going to pick it up from there. The name of the shop will be in the description below and the phone number. Anyone from the local, like probably from Siliguri or close by, can visit that place. This particular place is known for its originality, and they don't even mix anything into the gold. Okay, meanwhile I wanted to give a big shout out to Shanti and Trevor. The reason behind is they've been following my each and every video, and they give me an honest feedback, and that makes me gets me an encouragement to improve it every time. If there's some mistake that happens, they are the first people I can count on who can actually correct me. Thank you guys. Much love and power to you guys. And Shanti in particular, because last time I think I remember making a video on a city that's Gangtok. There are other places which I did visit. I didn't like the quality, or there was some problem with the editing part of it. Pre-production or post-production, there was some problem with it. And I did consult with this sweetest person on the earth that I've ever seen. That's Shanti. And she didn't like it either. And she was very, very honest about it. The minute I uploaded, I had to remove it. I decided not to upload it because there were a few parts missing on the video, which was due to some technical reasons, and that made the video look really incredible. India, thumbs up. To all the people of Odisha, stay strong. We all know that you're going through a crisis right now. A cyclone called Pani has hit already. Government has taken a quick step by evacuating thousands of people. Howsoever, our prayers are there with you. Stay strong, Odisha. We all love you. Alright guys, there's a good news, that is if you take a left deviation that leads to airport, Bangtogar airport. This is the newest, let's say this is the, breaking. This is really scary. Ke chalako? What is this, man? You have that one, this is a one way and flyover, and these people are just like taking chances. अरे यार क्या लाइफ इतना मतलब, is our life worth this? Taking a risk? Literally, dude, literally. You just see this now. आपको आपकी जान प्यारी नहीं है, ठीक है, मैं समझ सकता हूँ यार, लेकिन यार दूसरों को लाइफ को क्यों आप खतरे में डाल रहे हो यार? इतना अच्छा खासा रोड बना दिया यार गवर्नमेंट ने, इस तरफ से जाओ उस तरफ से आओ. Yet you want to take chances, man.
इधर आपके शायद जानकारी नहीं होगी, जानकारी के तौर पर बताता हूँ।
अच्छा
ये चेक पोस्ट पर कोई भी XYZ कोई भी हो,
अच्छा
बिना हम लोगों के परमिशन के ना मोबाइल चला सकते हैं। रिवर्स करके हमको शो दिखा सकते हैं आप अपने मोबाइल पे ना।
A few moments later.
Security force, they asked me to delete the entire footage. Since in GoPro I was not carrying a laptop, so I don't have an option to cut it off. So I had to delete the entire footage. This is the border line, so if you want to go towards the other side of it, you will have to come here, make papers. This is the immigration where you make immigration papers. All the vehicles from India, they have to make papers out here. This is by law. It takes around 50 to 60 Indian rupees for a day, depending on where exactly you're going. You walk into that's an office, and you come out here and you do the needful. You make the papers out here.
A few moments later.
दाजु सुन्नुहोस् न, यो के अरे यहाँबाट उता नेपाल जाँदाखेरि नि यो हामीले बोक्नु सक्छ क्यामेरा हो यो? सक्छ नि है? पाउँछ नि है? ए हुन्छ हुन्छ, थ्याङ्क यू। सोध्नु पर्यो नि हजुर?
गाडीको त उ छ नि।
हजुर त्यो बनाए कि बनाएर चाहिँ क्यामेरा चाहिँ पाउँछ पाउँदैन? पाउँछ नि है?
यहाँ अटो हुँदै हिँड्ने हो यो?
हजुर हजुर हजुर, त्यो क्या भिडियो बनाउने हुन्छ नि है? ए थ्याङ्क यू। So this is the border line. We officially reached, we are officially crossing. We have left India now. This is officially we are into Nepal. Welcome to Nepal. मैम 1 किलो को उयो पाउँछ होला? 1 किलो सुन पाउँछ? मलाई 1 किलो सुन प्याक गरिदिनुस् न। 1 किलो सुन प्याक गरिदिनुस् न मलाई। हेलो फ्रेन्ड्स, धुआं खा लो, फ्री में मिलता है।